Good morning, everyone. This is Avnish from grade 4th. I am going to tell today's day and date. The day is Friday and the date is 3rd October 2025. Thank you.
Good morning, everyone. This is Shavan Lokande from grade 4th. Every Friday we observe fun facts. Friday, so on behalf of it, I would like to share some facts such as there are 19 different smiles. Smile takes 5 to 53 muscles to smile. Smiling boosts immune system. Thank you.
Good morning, all present over here. This is Amara Sifalase from grade 4.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Kushi Techpal from grade 4.
I am Ganesh Lole from grade 4.
This is Swara Patil from grade 4.
We are going to tell you importance of the day. Today is World Smile Day, celebrated on the first Friday of October each year. First celebrated in 1999, created by Harvey Ball, the artist who made the smiley face.
Hairball was an American commercial artist. Created the yellow smiley face in 1963. Worried it was losing its meaning, so he created the World Smiley Day.
It is celebrated to promote kindness, joy, and compassion.
Encourage people to perform acts with kindness. Talking about some facts about smile. First, a smile boosts your mood and immunity system.
We from Shraddha Olympiad School want to share a message that smile is free, but it means a lot. Your smile can make someone else smile too.
Smiles are universe, no language needed. Be the reason someone believes there is still kindness in the world.
Happy World Smile Day. Thank you.